Oh, welcome guys. So 908, 908, yeah. So given an array of integer, for each integer AI, you can choose x. This x belongs to minus k to k and s to AI. After this process, we have some array b. Return the smallest possible difference between maximum value and the minimum value of b. So a is 1, k is 0. So you see, k is 0, right? So there's no choice. The only choice x is 0. So when you added the maximum and minimum, still be 0, right? So you just output 0. And for 2, you can add plus 2, right? You get plus 2, you get 2, 12. So the minimum, and if you add minus 2, you get the minus 2, 8. So the problem for this one is that you need to find the maximum value. So maximum value is the smallest possible, right? So the maximum should be as small as possible. So the maximum should choose 8. And the minimum should choose 2. So minimum should be largest. So a minus 6 can be a minus 2 can be 6. So 6 is the smallest. Okay, so from this you can see from this point of view, you know that what? You know that maximum should be choose to be as small as possible. So this is very easy. We just choose maximum minus k, right? Maximum should choose the smallest as possible, whereas the minimum should choose the largest as possible, right? So minimum should add k. So this is just the answer, right? Maximum minus k. Maximum should be, because we want the difference to be smallest, right? So the maximum should be small, and the minimum should be largest as possible. Okay, that's it. Yeah, so just simple mathematics. Once you understand this problem, you can solve it immediately. Yeah, so okay, yeah, so I just combine this to be this. Yeah, so this is very similar. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.